This is Paul Wett with www.wetttraderllc.com, giving you the forecast for the week ending July 15th, I believe, on Friday. Folks, it's been an exciting week. S&P 500's taking out a prior high on the current contract month. The weekly, we're really close, 2134. This is the high. So, folks, if you've been listening to www.wetttraderllc.com, you've been making some money. This shows you here on the 27th here when we had a buy here. And a buy here on this PP right here at 68 and 65. We actually had a buy at 68. And now, folks, we're at 2120. This area, like I said, resistance here. Let me draw some of these lines here, folks. So you know what you're up against. Like I said, we've been going in between these lines. This is the next area, of course. We have several gaps in these areas as well, which means this is going to be our fifth wave. Just not too sure yet. This is our ABC. This is our fifth wave. We still might have a little bit more to go. We should go maybe about 2150 area. So I just watched, and let's look at the numbers. Let's look at the numbers, folks. Right now, with the numbers being close to a contract high, this is the, let's check these other, this is the daily. There's some issues with the daily data on the demo, so I want to show you the live. Here where the contract high, our support and resistance on the daily. That's what I love about WettTraderLLC.com. You take these smaller time frame, folks, and it's just buys and sells. We've had buys all the way up this line here, folks, all the way. This is where you make some big money, big money. Great day on Friday, that's for sure. Unemployment numbers came out, where it was ridiculous. So we're going to carry this trend, and we want to know when it's going to end. So we want to know when the trend is going to end. Don't fight the trend, people. Don't fight the trend. Now, like I said, we have the support right here, resistance. We came through here. We might come back towards this area a little bit. I just look at the numbers. There's one or two things we can do, and that's it. We can be an inside trade range here, so we'll be coming inside this range. So a good area for a higher probability, low risk trade is going to be where we're trying to bid back at the PP. Now here, folks, it does say we have a probability of a high, so this is the timing, right? So that's why these bars are here. So we did put our low in and we put our high in, but we need confirmation. We confirm the low by making a higher high. Now we got to confirm the high for a low to make a lower low. So this week here, so the first thing we want to do, we want to check these levels of support. 2104. Our monthly. We're still at our 2065, right? And here we're at 2150 is where they're saying R1, a probability of a high, 2150. 2142 on the weekly. 2142 on the weekly. So these are areas where low risk, high probability. Look at the daily. Obviously, when we hit a big range, it's got to pull back a lot. That's why I said, folks, you don't want to be buying right now because it's high probability we will come back and meet our PP, our average, plus or minus 90% probability, folks. So we want a high probability, lower our risk by increasing our higher probability. So those are the areas you want to watch. Could be inside trade range here on this weekly. The monthly's got a great bar here, but like I said, our R1 here on our monthly's at 2150, which if we take out that 34, if this is our third wave and we take this out or come close to it, it's going to be a first level of resistance, and then once we go through there, I think we'll go to pretty quick. www.wetttraderllc.com. Try the demo, folks. This is a demo. Get you into all these buys right through here. Boom, boom, boom. It bought right here. 20-minute actually bought on last Friday at 2093, baby. Right down here. I think it was right over here. 2093. And I think the next buys were 96. www.wetttraderllc.com. Try the demo.